Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the AI Stylizer in Ortiz AI, which is a cool online generative AI design platform. So here is an original image of a little girl, which I converted into several different styles, and it's a great way to create cartoon characters from real images. So let me show you how to do this. So I'm logged into my Ortiz account. This is the main dashboard area. Start by clicking Create Design at the top, and then choose Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 6 section. So go to the AI Design Assistant section, and then click on AI Stylizer. In this section, you can drag and drop your image here. I'll click on this Browse link, which is what I'll do. Navigate to your folder on your computer, choose your image, and then click Open. So here's the image. You can use this drop down to choose an aspect ratio. I'll leave it to the default to maintain the same image size of the original, and as you can see, there are many different styles that you can use here. So I'll choose the Ghibli style. So let me scroll down, and then I'll click on Stylize Image. It'll then redirect you to the personal design section and then start generating the image. Give it a few seconds, and here is the image. Let me scroll down so you can see the full image. You can then hover over the image and then use this button to download it to your computer. You can use this pencil icon to edit it if you want to. And then if you click this eye icon, you'll see this dialog box pop up where it'll display the details of the image, and down below it'll display the image prompt. Similarly, you can convert the original image into different styles, as you can see here. You can also use the AI Stylizer feature on other types of images, as I did here with this countryside landscape, which is pretty cool. There is so much more that you can do with Ortiz. You can check the link in the description section to get it at a one-time discounted price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.